Hi everyone, welcome to part 4 of Blender to Unity tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be talking about object parenting and possibly going into materials. So first I'm going to move these windows to actually touch the house. So grab X, move them on the X axis, and yeah, maybe move this up too. And scale this a bit down. Okay, that looks better. So now, actually, let's move them over a bit. Okay. Okay, small fixes. So now I'm going to be talking about object parenting, where if I grab this house here and I want to move it, you can see that the windows and doors aren't moving along with it. So what you have to do now is actually click the window, shift click the house, and click Control P. This will ask you to set parent to a specific object. So once I set it to the house, you can now see that once I grab the house, the window moves with it. So let's do that with all the objects. Click this and select what you want to parent to the last one. So shift click the house last. Control P and object. So now once you grab the house, you can see that everything moves. And also on the top right here, you can see that they all go under the house. Let's rename this to attic window. Door window 2. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to show you Alt left click, which is highlights everything on an axis. So as you can see, if I alt left click here, it just highlights everything on this axis. If I left click here, then I'll highlight everything on this axis. So now I'm going to show you separation and joining. So if I left click here, shift click, I can grab the whole thing out and see how it's still attached to the house. So if I move this around, everything moves. I want to separate it. So click P and by selection. So with just selected, you can see that it came out of the house and it's called house 01. Let's rename that to house chimney. No point really, because I'm going to join it right after, but now it's a free unit. So let's go back into edit mode. Actually no, let's just grab it back into place. Grab Z, let's leave it here. And click, shift left click, select both. Instead of parenting, which you can do, I'm going to just join it to the house. So just Control J and perfect. So overall, I would always try to choose parenting over joining, because joining is more permanent and harder to manipulate. Like let's say this door, I want 2 doors. I could easily just duplicate it and move it over. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next part.